How to save video from TikTok to gallery. First of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. If you want to save any video from here, then tap on the share icon on the right side of the screen. Here, you can view all the sharing options available as well as other options below. Now tap on Save Video. You have now successfully saved this video. Now go back to your main menu and open up your gallery. You will find the TikTok video you just saved over here. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and easily save video from TikTok to gallery. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.